All right. Well, today we're going to talk a little bit about Sheetcam and how to reinstall Sheetcam so that we can. There's a lot of different reasons why we'd want to reinstall that. So let's go into the right CNC load up, into programs, and then we're going to go down to the Sheetcam setup. There are multiple updated versions that have come since this particular Sheetcam, and we make those available on our site. RightCNCportal.com will have those updates as we progress forward. So let's go ahead and open that up, and we're going to wait a second while it goes to the wizard. We're just going to hit next and install. And from this point, we just sit here and wait. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up here. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and let it create a desktop shortcut and click next. And I'm going to go ahead and not run the program itself. We'll just hit finished, and that's how we install Sheetcam. Go ahead, and the next video we'll talk a little bit more about how to set some of the finer settings, install the license files, running an initial setup of the program itself. If you have any questions, shoot us a call.